Hello guys. Today I want to talk about training everywhere you can. Right now I am in my room. How you call it? The window. And I put a resistance band on something strong so I can train my tricep. I'm gonna show you how. Let's go. Easy, not difficult. Everywhere you can train. Don't limit yourself, just do it. You know? Take it like that. You see? Activating. He's activating, man. Come on! Big man! Yeah. Motivator, get your paper. I'm motivating only. I want everybody to be the best version of themselves. Let's get it, man. Together.